Hello, welcome you to the resource world of India. Today, we are going to discuss about agro-based industries and major agricultural products. India is an agricultural country. Nearly one-third of our population depends on agriculture for their livelihood. In addition to food crops, that agricultural sector also provides raw materials for some industries. Crop diversity is a characteristic feature of India. What geographical factors are favorable for the cultivation of diverse crops in India? Diverse topographic climate, soil, etc. are the favorable factors for the cultivation of diverse crops in India. As we know, the climatic conditions required for the cultivation of the crops are not the same. We have different crops suited to each seasons. On the basis of the period of cultivation, we have three distinct cropping seasons. They are Kharif, Rabi and Zaid seasons. We can examine the classification of the crops based on their cropping season with the help of this table. First one, Kharif crops. The sowing period is June or onset of monsoon, and the harvesting period is early November or the end of monsoon. Which are Kharif crops? Rice, maize, millets, cotton, jute, sugarcane, groundnut, etc. are the examples of Kharif crops. Next one is Rabi. The sowing period of Rabi crop is November or the beginning of winter. Harvesting period is March or the beginning of summer. And which are the major Rabi crops? Wheat, tobacco, mustard, pulses, etc. the examples of Rabi crops. And the third one is Zaid season or Zaid crops. The sowing period of Zaid is March and or the beginning of summer, and the harvesting period is the month of June or the beginning of monsoon. And also fruits, vegetables are the examples of these Zaid crops. Did you heard about millets? And what are millets? Small grains are called millets. Jowar, bajra, ragi, etc. are the examples of millets. Now we can discuss about the agricultural crops in India. The diverse agricultural crops in India can be classified as food crops and cash crops. What are food crops? The crops which can directly be consumed as food are called food crops. Rice, wheat, maize, etc. are the examples of food crops. Then, what is cash crops? Cash crops are those having industrial and commercial significance. Okay? Then, first of all, we discuss about food crop rice. Rice is a Kharif crop, as you know. Suitable soil of this rice is alluvial soil, and the temperature required is about 24 degrees Celsius, and the required rainfall is more than 150 centimeters. Cultivated this rice in the regions with less rainfall with aid of irrigation. And the cultivation regions in India were river basins and coastal plains and terraces along the slopes of Shivalik ranges. This map shows the cultivation of paddy area in India. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about the food crop wheat. Wheat is the second major crop producer in India, and wheat is a Rabi crop, and the temperature required is 10 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius, and required rainfall for the cultivation of wheat is about 75 centimeters. Then wheat cultivation in India is mainly depends on irrigation as it is a winter crop. This map shows wheat cultivation states in India. Now, we discuss about this wheat cultivation. Next, we are going to discuss another food crop, that is maize. Maize, it is the third major food crop producer in India, cultivated in both summer and winter seasons. And the annual rainfall required for the cultivation of maize is about 75 centimeters. And well-drained fertile soil is ideal for the cultivation of maize. And the most cultivated states in India are Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. In addition to rice, wheat and maize, the food crop in India also include barley, millets, pulses, etc. Dear student, in this session we discussed about different food crops and different seasons. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.